guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Zaisko 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Spouse.
Steve was keeping, bro.
I came nothing.
Sharp, bro. I was a little principal, bro.
Yeah.
I came live bro. It was a boring game, bro.
Yes.
I'm definitely sure Maguti Numto bega big game. I'm a favorite Chiefs. I'm sure change channel bega something else.
Yeah,
this game was boring, bro. Mangas why? It was boring. Angas keep on. Yeah, it wasn't flowing, bro. Angas with the pakatele traveling yabo maybe be. Angas about to discuss to rest anga was keep on, but the game it was boring.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a boring game, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just happy for 3 points. That's it.
But it is because over my player with Chiefs or like just.
I wasn't telling it. Maybe
I'm
just with his due to traveling. Maybe bahambe iskate ngani. Abafiki ngara abarist angazi. But they were off. They were lucky even nekulu bro. Yeah, they were lucky.
The first 3 minutes.
Yeah, they were lucky bro. So game le kuhle 87 in
yeah, like a proper draw.
Yeah, proper draw. But I'm happy for 3 points bro.
But then Spouse they didn't cause work in body tactics or okay.
But I'm change scheme non-stop.
Ne?
Yeah, this week ufaka lo pega I game le Golden Arrows. Those guys aba finish 90 minutes they were good.
Yes.
But beba ngekho ngaphakathi uzibuza ukuthi why. But man was not umfake nge-SS up
very late.
Bangizwisisa uzibuza ukuthi why. Yeah, I game lesidlane Golden Arrows. Those boys they played well. Yeah, abangene esamasap. So uzibuza ukuthi mawabeke bench wabekela in. But Magutu, you did well yesterday. Then the following day, start from where you left and then uye phambili.
Yes.
So Magutu yenze kuhle izolo and then ufuna ukuthi namhlanje uqale a new chapter uyazibulala.
Yeah.
So
take over.
Sibulala idea embraba.
Yeah.
Scheme is change and angizwisisi ukuthi kahle banikezana 45 minutes amakhujalo rugenzakalani. It seems like 45 minutes khujalo 45 khujalo and kumele bahlale phansi ngathi bayi2 but okay sharp mina ngibona so nami ngibona so but it seems like ngathi omunye nomunye uhlala phansi then ubabheka by goalkeeper coach angizwisisi kuyenzakalani. But there's division. There's division. But now you check up around game le Golden Arrows ne ngizobuyela kiyo. What le angaboni kahle abacoach. Game le Golden Arrows mangathi uya check if 45 minutes uqala kumele uyikhuwa.
Yeah.
Second half bekume ukhala.
Yeah.
Babheka by goalkeeper coach. Bonke uzibuza ukuthi why.
Sebalwela istudio.
Yeah, maybe angazi bra mara kumele bayibulala division leyo.
Yeah.
I team le bayicoacha bonke bafuna ukwachieve into one bonke ngithi we need a result.
Yeah.
So there must be one thing so that i Chiefs ikwazi kuya phambili.
Ngiyathola.
Yeah.
What do you think i-team kwamele decide nayo ukuthi ihamba nobani?
Shibara mangithi uzwile ukuthi bathi ama changes angeke abe khona. So kwamanje ababayekele bacede isizini ukuthi bafuna ucede isizini.
Okay, ngiyakubamba.
Yeah. Ababayekele and then makuthi bayahluleka sathi bayahluleka.
Ngiyathola. Man of the match bonus boss.
Shibara hayi bebadlala ibhola enyama yamatikiti yabadlala amatumtumu para wami. Into bayenze ba clear amabhola. They were clearing the ball. So man of the match bra akengeke ngathi izoba khona. Beba clear amabhola. Bolo mayiza tum iyaphambili.
Yeah.
Into eyenzakala so man of the match bro is very difficult to choose.
Ngiyathola.
So I don't have a man of the match game in the bro.
But double partner kwamele ba start.
They have to bro.
Yeah,
they have
the young
to.
boys.
They have to. Beka umfana lo bathu umabasa.
Yeah.
He give him bathini best performance nge Golden Arrows.
Yes.
Umfaka lead.
Eish. And iqeda umoya.
But iyababulala le.
Obvious.
I'm playing well a game so the following game bakufaka sesab. Unikeza ukhojara 15 minutes nice.
Yeah.
Kumele bayibheke right there.
Yeah, ngiyathola.
Kumele bayibheke.
Chairman ngibona ngathi
Tibos ngizoba comfort Tibos there's a very important something esibone eZambia of which thina sama volunteering esama soccer slaves sike sikujabulela ukubona into esiyikhuluma kuma branches angiqale nje ukuthi umuntu ofana no Cecil Mtaungwe kwi Kaizer Chiefs supporters desk umuntu ofana ne spokesperson sabo remind me
bathi ngibani
ubaba
ngikhohle igama
PRO waselipompo ngelikhohle igama lisabhalekile uyabona sorry
Vini.
Umaphosa yeah uvini uyazi uma umemeza abantu ukuthi please guys let's come all out to support our team ngifuna ukuthi sibone i-branch yase-Rustenburg of which if bangiphazami lawa ama-branch abe yi-2 or abe yi-3 but that support no matter i-team yakho ayinikezi that 100% performance but iqiniso lithi thina sabalandeli bebhola let's play our role of which ngithashekile because ngiye ngakhumbula nami ngesikhathi sethu uma sihamba njenganamanje sihamba ukuthi siyasuka la siye kuZambia on behalf of lento siyayithanda mfowethu yabona 100% sure lama branch abelapha awafananga nabo Mama Joy abo Bota abo Mashaka abo Letiti ebebelena what you call eMorocco labantu basitransportile ngemali zabo ukuthi is very important to go and play our number 12 player as a Kaizer Chiefs supporters leyo ngithi mfowethu ngithi asibashale izandla labalandeli bebelapha ngoba muhle umsebenzi ukuthi ehleni nasebubini and uyimele team yakho ukuthi uyayithanda 100% ingawo nje ukuthi imisebenzi yakho Cecil Mtango ku supporters desk baba Veni Maphosa as a spokesperson continue into esifuna lokuyibona nibuyisele la themba lokuthi nabo abadlali bazazi ukuthi we were strong with player number 12 that's my message to Amakhosi.
Thank you Chairman. Wena umnati sports?
I'm not.
Sorry,
I am not.
Thank you Chairman. Thank you.